Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tears to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Not seeing any paint chips or scratches in the front. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver door. No dents, no scratches, everything here looks perfect. Now the quarter panel and wheel. Everything here looks fine. No scratches, no dents, and no curb rash. Let's have a look at the back of the car. The back looks perfect. Not seeing any scratches here at all. No paint chips. Everything looks spotless. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Everything here looks perfect. No dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger door. Everything here looks good. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches. And now the last fender and wheel looks excellent. Everything here looks spotless. The wheel has no curb rash, and there are no scratches or dents on the fenders. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look inside. We're going to start with the driver's seat. Alright, everything here looks perfect. Now let's have a look at the passenger side. Excellent. Now let's take a look at the rest of the interior. We're going to start off with the center console. Everything looks perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks perfect as well. The buttons are fine. Also, the leather and stitching around the steering wheel is in excellent condition as well. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now let's take a look at the trunk. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.